Hello all, here are OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Keedox 3 coils wireless QI charger. Compared to other QI chargers currently on the market, this model has one significant advantage, and that's it has a foldable stand in addition to being the QI charger. So when you're charging your device, such as your phone or your tablet, you can also tilt it up for watching videos, for looking at slideshows, browsing the web, watching YouTube, and so it provides an additional feature in addition to being a charger. So it's a nice stand in addition to being the charger. So it's a two-in-one device that we think adds a bit of extra value. The device itself retails for under $40, so the price is not that expensive for a QI charger, so it's kind of innovative and also provides a nice amount of value as well. The packaging is pretty simple, and you can find it directly from Keedox's website or from Amazon.com, and our review unit arrived within 3 days after we ordered it, so very fast shipping from the company's part. Taking a look, pretty clean packaging here. It shows that you can adjust the angle, which is great for watching videos on your tablet, and you can adjust accordingly to whatever orientation you want when you're using it. And the packaging includes a device, a micro USB cable, and also a user's manual. So taking a look at what's actually inside the packaging, we have access to the actual QI charger itself, which we'll take a look at in a moment. And underneath here, we have access to the accessories, which include the aforementioned micro USB cable number 1, which is used to actually provide power to the QI charger itself. It needs to be plugged into the wall or to a computer. And then we have a smaller cable in case you want to use a smaller setup or orientation, perhaps by plugging it directly into a laptop or something like that. There's also a user's guide that's printed in both Chinese and also in English. It provides a bit of color as well for labeling the various features and functions, which is pretty nice, and it's easily to kind of get used to, and it's nicely documented, so if you have any questions, you can reference that for more details. Taking a look at the actual design of the QI wireless charger, it's actually fairly portable and small, which makes it easy to travel and to take with you into any pockets or into any bags. As you can see, the Keedox logo is embedded directly onto the front of the surface. Taking an immediate look, there's also rubber feet on the bottom, which prevents the device from sliding around on any desk or surface, which is a nice feature to have and also an important one because it prevents the stand from falling over when being placed on a desk. The sides of the device features some metallic accents for the spine, which is kind of like Motorola Razr back in the day, so it provides a nice hinge mechanism and also a physical action to it. So it gives a bit of detailing and adds a bit of style to the device in general. Otherwise, the product is made entirely out of plastic. It feels pretty nicely constructed in the hand. It doesn't feel like it's going to break. And on the bottom here, we just have the micro USB tip for providing power to the charger. And that's about it. The back features some basic information. And again, that's pretty much it as far as features are concerned. So to use the device, we simply prop it up like so. And then there's the section down below here that you can actually sit up, like a little bit of a dock. And there's also an LED indicator that tells you when the charging has begun. And you simply would set your phone down onto the dock itself, and then you can start the charging process. And starting to use the QI charger is pretty simple. We simply plug in the other tip to a computer or to a wall or power outlet. Something to note that for the company to know in the future would be perhaps they should throw in an AC adapter for future models because that would be more convenient. But otherwise you can always find a generic adapter and it should work. So when you first power it on, there are no power on and off switches on the unit. There's just a simple green LED indicator to tell you when power is being supplied to the actual QI charger. And once we want to start charging our device, we simply place it onto the surface here. And then you can see that our device has started charging. And it says that the charging indication process has began, and the charging indicator has been shown on our phone here. So it's pretty easy, it's pretty sensitive. As far as orientation is concerned, there's not too much of an issue. You can place it basically comfortably on the stand itself, and it will charge. You can also place it in the horizontal orientation, and the charging should still work to some extent. Depends again on the QI placement on your actual phone itself. But mostly it's pretty accurate, it's pretty easy to start using and to get situated. And again, when our phone is on here, you can also adjust the angle of the device. So you can make a more extreme angle if you want to for watching videos. You can make it more flush if you don't want to, have it being lying upwards. And this might be a more traditional layout if you just want to sit on a desk for charging overnight. And so you can really easily adjust the angling according to your device. So as you can see there, when you're charging the device and the QI is being placed on, the LED indicator will turn blue, but after you take your device off, it's going to turn green again. So it's a nice indicator. It's pretty easy to see and easy to use. And when you're done, simply turn off the flap, and then you're ready to go. So now we have just a more traditional mat, or a QI mat, that you can use to charge your phone in a more traditional manner. So it works pretty well, whatever orientation or manner you want to use it for, as a stand or as a traditional QI charger. Keedox 3-coil QI charger is a nicely designed product because it combines a nicely functional QI power adapter that easily charges up your device, in addition to a stand, which is a feature we haven't really seen before on other QI chargers. But the consequences of having this stand would be the fact that the device in general is a bit larger than other QI mats to carry around, and also the fact that there isn't an AC adapter directly included in the box we think is a bit of a limitation, because some QI chargers throw in a free AC adapter directly in the packaging, but this one does not. But as far as performance is concerned, it's very speedy, it's very accurate, and we fully charged up a phone in about 2 to 3 hours, so pretty fast in charging speed, especially for a QI charger. And it worked with most Android phones and tablets that we tested on it, so there are no kind of compatibility issues we experienced either. So overall, it works very well. It's a very unique design, and for the money, I think you are getting a pretty good deal. You can check out our full review on our website. This has been our video review here at OS Reviews of the Keedox 3-coil QI charger/stand.